Hello, this is Oliver from Token Hobby, and in front of me this all these parts from the tank of henglong, and it is a Panzer 4F. So already all the chassis only remaining the smoking unit. So all the wheels, smoking unit, the speaker, is gearbox, mainboard, suspension all removed. Before was a plastic one, the wheels. So now I will change to metal one and also assemble all this to show you. So this one, the the turret with 360-degree turning, the slipper ring. This one will remain there. Other video, last time we take a video from the Abrams tank, so already show all inside the parts how to remove and assemble. So for henglong tank, if no customized other functions, so it is almost all same inside the turret. So let's see about this. This is the suspension. This is acting like spring. So we remaining one not assembled. Let's put this, and this one got the bearing. Hold it, put it inside. So for others, the wheels, suspension all assembled, only waiting to assemble on the chassis. So here are the washer, and the remaining all the cover there. This cover, if you want to secure tight, not to drop during playing. And these are all the cover, so when putting that one, better put a little glue on it so the cover will not drop. It is not very tight, I already tried. This one got magnet. There is changing angle. It. In position. Okay, still freely. So this is assembled like this. These are the new metal one return roller already put inside. It is, you see, got this gear on there. It's only push and stuck there. So the old one was a plastic version. I already removed. So when removing, you see inside maybe a little bit stuck. We'll need to use a pin with a hammer to punch out. Yeah, it's already tight. Okay, then it's the suspension. You see this one, the spring metal plate stuck here, and so this is the starboard side of the tank. So the left side is different direction for this suspension. Okay, so second one. So this spring metal plate is facing to rear side. Okay, lock it. This is from starboard side. So for left side, the suspension will be different direction, so also the metal plate facing to rear side, not too tight, so the suspension can be moving freely as the spring. Okay, this starboard side, and this is the last one for left side. Okay, turning freely, good. Okay, let's put inside the driving gearbox. Okay, this motor gear, it is from downside, so first put this one. And there, the bolt sit there, let need to screw in all the screws. Yeah. Sit on the chassis. Align with the screw hole. Okay, it is aligned. Yeah. So each one got. You see, this is the gearbox cover. So only after this is only take out by force. So only take out, you can see the bolts under there. So you can take it out and put back. So better your screwdriver have magnet, so can hold, stick on the screw and to put inside. Each one got 3 screws to tighten it, hold in position. Okay, so the gearbox already tight, and for this one, the cover, the plastic one, just push and stuck it inside. Wrong. This is another one, shape a little different. So you see inside the gears are all plastic because this tank is a basic version. We got other version, so the gears, the wheels, so all metal parts. You can choose basic or upgraded version. So after this already locked, so we can assemble the sprocket. First sprocket, and then we put the track. Last we put the idler wheels. So this one lock in position and lock it. Okay, tight. Another one. Lock the D shape. Push in. Okay, and ready. Good. Go to the track. Okay, this direction. Okay, in position, then tight. This one is a small screw inside. So in this way, it's easier to put the track in position and secure it. So if you find the track loose or need to change some knots, you can disassemble and assemble like this. Another side. Okay, let's see. So turning freely. Here, see the suspension. Okay, let's assemble inside the mainboard parts, speaker, and connect the wires. So speaker to channel 9. And find position for it. Okay, let's connect back all the parts inside the chassis. I forgot to tell, before I forgot to put this one, the cover for the sprocket and the shaft. Before I assemble the sprocket, so I put back separately. Already put back this cover, plastic one. So all the chassis now is ready. First connect, this one is the battery, power supply. Okay, connect it. Let's see the downside the smoking unit. So for this one, if you need to add smoking oil, normally this one is only one hose. For other tank have 2 hoses, so you can take out and drop 2-3 3 minimum liter. That's enough to soak all the cotton inside. Okay, so this one should be connected on downside. Red to red, black to black. So downside, battery chamber, power connected to battery chamber. Here we got the smoking heating and motor. So smoking heating, let's see which channel. The heating is channel 11. This is the heating. Find where is 11. Channel 11 is here. Plug in. So the motor is channel 12. 12 is here. According to manual, one by one connected. And here is the speaker wires. Speaker push inside seat there. CN9. Okay, go through here. Put to CN9. Here is the CN9. Plug in. And then this is all the assemble from the turret, this slipper ring connected. So from this side will be more close. The wires are short, so let's connect from this side. Check the positive, negative. So it should be like this. Connected. So from turret we got other wires separately, not from, it's from upper hall. So this one different wires. This wire, let's see, it's the machine gun. Machine gun is LED 5. Connect to LED 5. So the front light, which one? This one, front light LED 4. Let's connect 5 first. Machine gun LED 5. Front light LED 4. Then got this one is the turning for the turret turning. Turret turning is CN3. Find CN3. It's here. CN3 connected. Okay, all connected. So one more. It is this. That's the power CN1. It's here, red one. Okay, so now all wires, all connections connected. Let's put the upper back. Okay. This got the sticker on the chassis, so now it is glued to the main board. Back. Seat and turn it over. Lock all the screws from bottom. Okay, this one better put a little glue so the cover will not drop. Okay, so let's connect the battery, put the cover back and test the function. So all assembled to see if all functions normal or some plug or wires not connected well. Let's test. Okay, battery first radio on, and here is the power switch. When starting, press this starting button, same time switch on. machine gun, light, okay, the light is okay. Switch off the light, on, firing, good, aiming, pressure, so every time after you do maintenance, if some malfunction, which function not working, so open again to see the connections, if all connected well, somewhere broken or not. Yeah. If all checking good, only one maybe motor not working, maybe somewhere burned, need to test with voltmeter or others need to check the data to see. So let's switch it off. Good.